Hi there, tubers. Welcome back. It's been a long time, right? It's been a long time. Last time I left you, I was working on this B77 tape recorder, and the issue was the PROM, the tape transport board. The PROM went out, right? So I couldn't go any further. It just wasn't working. So I had ordered some parts, and when I got back from vacation last week, the parts were here. And today I just thought I'd just run through it and see what's what. So what it is, this is the module, the PROM module that replaces the old one. Let me show you the old. Okay, this is the old PROM here. So this what went bad. So I got the new one. I actually bought two of them, two new modules. So I just plug it in, put it in, and ready to go. So this is the instruction that came with it. This thing come all the way from Europe. I think, yeah, it came all the way from Europe. So it comes with a schematic and everything. Instruction, well done. And I also got some little tidbits of other little tidbits. You see, I have this extender card. So the purpose of this thing is to stick your card in it, put this into the motherboard here, and then you put the card here to extend it out so you can do some troubleshooting on the card. So it goes like this. See that? So it make it much easier to troubleshoot stuff. But what I find is that even though I'm gonna demo this to you, let you see what I'm talking about. Okay, plug it in like this, and then I plug it into the motherboard here. Okay, so even though it's extended out further, sometimes I still find it difficult to maneuver my test leads when I'm trying to test some components on the board. So I bought some ribbon cable that I'm going to be modifying this thing so that I can actually take out the card and have it on the bench like that while it's plugged in. See? And then this gives me total flexibility to do my troubleshooting. Yeah, a lot of times I just have to be like an octopus over there, but if I have it laying on the bench like this, and it's plugged in over here, and then the board is plugged into this ribbon, so this thing is on the table, so I'm good. So that's one of the my next project to get this modified. I also bought some new bearings and some connectors, and this little doohickey here, it's like a little tester. I haven't done anything with this yet, so yeah. So anyway, so now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be plugging in the board. Actually, So this thing is dead, so I might as well throw it out. Okay, so I just want to make sure that the pins are properly inserted in this thing. You don't want the pin to be hanging out because that could cause a lot of problem. Okay, it's good. Okay, so I've installed the board already with the new module right here. The new module, PROM module is right here. But before I do anything, I'm gonna put it on my Lazy Susan so that I can move this deck around easily. Okay, let me make sure everything is all plugged in properly. Okay, let's see what's what now. So this is the first time I'm gonna turn it on since I put the new board in, the new PROM into that tape transport board. So let's see if all the keys respond as expected. So I'm gonna rewind first because this side is empty. The supply side is empty, so I'm gonna rewind a little bit. Now I'm gonna just drop right into fast forward and see what happens. Okay, it does that. Now I'm gonna drop into play. Okay. So prior to that, these buttons were not responding. So I know now that the tape transport board is working. So my next move now is to calibrate the deck, and take it from there. So this deck it's a 2-track deck, but it's a low speed 2-track. It goes off 3 3/4 and 7.5 IPS. It's a low speed deck. So I'm gonna be calibrating this to with LPR 90, recording the master LPR 90 tape, and then hopefully it goes well. So as of this moment, the deck is working properly. Prior to all this, I had cleaned up the head and do all that kind of testing, so everything right. I remember the end of tape needs some adjustments, and in the tape sensor wasn't working properly. Now it's working, and it's all good. Let's see. I'm gonna just run it out to make sure the end of tape is working properly. When it reaches the end, it's supposed to stop. Okay, see, it stops. So it's all good. I'm happy to say. All right, thank you for watching, and I will give you an update during the calibration process. So this is actually a very short video. I just wanted to give you a status on this thing, because I hadn't worked on this for almost 2 months, I guess, a while back. Yeah. All right. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you next time. Yeah. All right. See you next time. Bye-bye.